tree-lined streets with a lovely neighborhood. You see, it's my job to make things pretty. When I do that, people buy houses. And my clients win. So, I focus on the pretty. Now, these are from that company that supported all of this bullshit. The home improvement company that supported all this bullshit that I really should stop shopping at, because these little flowers, because of the dude creating all the bullshit, are now ridiculously expensive. And you enter the front door, and what do you have? Nice traditional fireplace. When able to keep the old stuff, they did. This is a great living room to spend your time relaxing in. What I love about this home is, in this area anyway, we have a 2-car garage and a nice manageable backyard, but you have a mudroom on your way in from work or play or whatever it is. You can even throw a bike back there or shoes, whatever you need. And you're welcomed in to a nice eat-in kitchen dining room area. And I don't know, that's a pretty nice bonus. One of the things that really took me with this house as it came together was all of this leaded glass. It's so spectacular. And it just leads right on out into the solarium. And the solarium is heated and cooled. You're running late and your friends get to your house early, and you just say, "Hey, Tom, Gina, the front door to the solarium's open. No, you won't be cold in there. It's heated, even though it's wintertime." And they just wait outside your home for you. 5, 10 minutes, heck, let it be an hour. This is a great place to wait. Or enjoy it for a coffee in the morning. And with a kitchen like this, it could be pretty easy to drink some wine. The open floor plan, though, this is a lot of entertainment space. And a nice place to just hang out with your friends, right? Somebody sitting in the window seat and you're pouring drinks or cooking steaks, frying eggs in the morning on your wolf range. That's not bad. What's nice is the antiquities, where possible, were left in here. Nice leaded glass pantry. And of course, microwave, dishwasher, under cabinet mount sink, waterfall, island, and again, that lovely little eat-in dining area. off of the mudroom. I love this grand staircase. It's just nice, traditional, makes me feel like, I don't know, Cape Cod, Long Island, the Hamptons, especially when you look back here and you see all that leaded glass. Look at these hardwood floors, just incredible. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. How about some light, Chad? There you go. Here's your office. Upstairs. Here you go. There's that rubber ducky. Real traditional finishes in here. And a lovely light to illuminate the space on your face. Floating vanity. And look at that gray tile. And I love the hexagonal tile in here. Something else. Welcome to the master bedroom, or rather, more appropriately said, the main bedroom. Stained glass windows, another fireplace, and a nice big closet. I would just refer to this myself as a nicely appointed 3/4 bathroom, right? But somebody pointed out to me the other day, another designer, that this is a dog shower too. I never thought about that. Just walk the dog on in, let them do their thing while they scrub it up. I say 1 sibling in here, and look, walk on through Jack and Jill bathroom. So all they gotta do is learn to share a little. And this 3rd floor, what a place to send the older kids. You stay upstairs, we'll be down. We'll call you for dinner. Look down there at that lovely tree-shaded backyard. I would die for that. Hey, thanks for joining me on my little tour of 1108 East End Ave. Priced at $674.9. Not a bad price for this joint. Hey, I'll see you next time. Hey, and please like and subscribe.